Yo soy vuestro gran director divino, gurú de Saint Germain, os bendigo y os amo por siempre.
Tree of life that stands so tall, and with what measure can ye measure all? Allness of God's strength, not from joy of truth, in where perception sees the peace of truth. I am thy stature, rising upward bold, background of universal framework called, defending strength, the heart will overcome. I am the root, the vine, the branches one. I am thy son, thy flame, the three in one, divinely blessed and rising to the sun, drenched with celestial golden fire, you, God's light is streaming, concept renew. The light of God shines o'er mankind. Earth is the Lord, the fullness of his mind. The righteous kneel to, not their hands extend, action their byword to God's will defend. Christ within the humble hearts of all will shape his flame, his image to recall. As rainbow rays and heavenly joy surround, each heart with grace the cup of life abounds. Thou art my Son, begotten from above. Men's hearts respond to know the Father's love. Thou art my Son, this day I honor thee. Thou art my Son, in whom I am well pleased. I resounding down the hall of life, responds in joy to greet the Father's light. I am thy Son,